We've all heard of jollof rice, but have you ever heard of jollof spaghetti? You get the same delicious taste in a much quicker time. So I always start off with my vegetables just because chopping is my least favorite part. So I'm going to chop up half of a medium brown onion and also 1 medium bell pepper. I use 2 halves of 2 different color bell peppers just to bring a bit of color to the dish. I'm also going to chop up 1 medium carrot into matchsticks. So you see I'm slicing everything uniformly just to get the dish looking aesthetically good. Now for the all-important pepper mix. So I'm using some plum peel tomatoes, some peppers, red peppers, the other half of that medium brown onion, and also some scotch bonnet. And you just want to blend this down until it's smooth. So for my jollof spaghetti, I'm going to use some beef strips, but you can also go for chicken or you can even keep it vegetarian. And I'm just seasoning this, so I've used a beef stock cube, some suya spice, you could also use all-purpose, and some black pepper, and I'm just mixing this all together. So first of all, I'm going to actually cook down my beef strips. So you just want to cook them in oil for about 10 minutes until they are fully cooked through, and then you want to remove them and save for later. Once that's done, I start with my pepper mix. So first of all, I heat up some onions and tomato paste in oil for a few minutes. And once that's cooked down a little bit, I season it directly. So I use curry powder and thyme, which obviously are 2 very important spices when it comes to any jollof. And then I also add in my vegetables that I chopped up earlier and I cook them down. Finally, it's time to cook down the pepper mix. So I add this in, I season it with some seasoning cubes, and you cannot forget the bay leaf. And I just cook this down on a hot temperature until a lot of the liquid has dried up. So this could take up to 30 minutes or so. Finally, I add in some spaghetti that I've cooked separately, and what you want to do is mix it all together. Re-add your beef strips on top, add salt to taste if needed, and just cook down on a low temperature for a final 5 minutes. Now, I really like jollof spaghetti just because it's a lot quicker to cook, but still tastes just as delicious as jollof rice. So actually, it's a very good one if you are a bit of a beginner or novice to the world of jollof. If you like this delicious recipe, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.